morning dear students, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and enjoying our science class. Dear students, in today's class we are going to learn some more animals, how they are having their food. Okay, so in last class we have discussed about the carnivores. Carnivorous animals are those which they are eating only the flesh of the animals, leopard, fox, tiger. They have very pointed teeth on their mouth. So with the help of teeth, what they are doing? They are grinding the food and then later on chewing the food. Okay, and next we have learned about gnawing the food like a squirrel, rat. They have a sharp front teeth. So in this way they can gnawing the food. Okay, so now let's discuss some more animals, how they are having their food. Okay dear students, here some of the animals are there. They are eating the flesh of animals. Okay, flesh of animals, but they are not using their teeth. So here we have an example about the snake. Okay, so some flesh eating animals like snakes do not tear and chew their food. They are not using their teeth for having the food or chewing the food because they don't not have tearing and chewing the teeth. Okay, they don't have a chewing the teeth. Okay, so in this way what they are doing? They are directly catch the animals and they are grabbing the food and those animals. Okay, so example is about the frog. You can see here how this snake grabs a frog and swallows it. Okay, so you can see here how they are going to swallow their body. Okay, swallow means upteti. Okay, so they are going to swallow their body. So in this way what happened? We got the animals that they are not using their teeth because they don't have a tearing teeth. Which type of teeth? Tearing and chewing teeth they don't have, so that's why they are using directly grab the food. Okay, so here best example we have those animals that swallow their food whole. Okay, they are not breaking the body or they are not going to chewing the body. They are swallow their food whole. Okay, whole means purti tagotiti. Okay, they are going to have the food in a whole manner, whole body they are going to eat it. So the example is snake. Next example we have that animals that they lap water or milk. Okay, you can see here how this catty or you can say kitten is lapping the water. This is not a water, this is milk. Yes, white it is, this is the milk. So the way cats and dogs drink water, so how we are using to have water? We are using our hand to drink water. But what about the animals? So the animals like a cat, dogs, they drink water or milk is known as a lapping. So which what is this? This is the lapping. The way the animals drinking the water and the milk is known as the lapping. Okay, say the lapping the milk using their tongue. So how they are lapping? They are using their tongue. So you can see here how this cat is enjoying the taste of milk. Okay, so this is nothing but which type of thing? It is a lapping. Okay, so this is the spelling of lapping, that is L-A-P-P-I-N-G, lapping. Okay, so how they are lapping? They are lapping by their tongue. Okay, so here some more animals are there. They are using their different parts of the body. Some other eating habits are in animals. So we can go for the example elephant. Okay, so elephant is a very big. So elephant cannot use their legs all the times for having their food. They don't have hand. So in this way situation, which type of part is using? They have a long trunk. You can see here how the elephant has a long and thick trunk, so which helps to grab its food. So what the elephants is eating? Elephants eating the leaves, the branches of trees. Okay, so with the help of this tree, this trunk, what they are doing, they are grabbing their food, break off the leaves and branches of trees. Then after breaking the leaves or branches, they are grabbing the food. Okay, so this is another habits of animals, where animals are using their different parts of the body. So in this way, what happened? The elephant is also using their trunk to suck the water and throw it in on the body, or take showers, or put it into his mouth to drink. So they are using their trunk. Okay, so who have a trunk? Leave to elephant. Imagine. Yes, Ganpati Bappa also have their long trunk. So by using that trunk, what Ganpati Bappa is doing? Ganpati Bappa is doing and taking the laddus to have it. So in this way, the elephant also, they are not using their hand, because they don't have hand, they are using their trunk, which is thick and long. Okay. Now let's try to understand another animals. Okay. So dear students, here we have not animals, it is like insects, you can say. So which insect it is? It is a mosquito. What mosquito is doing? Mosquito is sucking our blood and neutralize in their body. So insects like mosquitoes suck their food. So here you can see here how they are sucking. Okay, it is our human blood, red in color. So this insect is sucking the blood from the human body, because they have a long thin tube attached to their mouth. Okay, so this is the mouth. From this mouth they have attached to long thin tube. So with the help of this long thin tube, what mosquitoes are doing? Mosquitoes are sucking their food in the form of blood to neutralize their body. Okay, so insects have a, what they have? They have a long thin tube for sucking the food. In similar way, the next is a frog. Frog, like a frog, lizards, what they have? They have a long stick. Okay, they have a long sticky tongue. You can see here how this frog is catching the insects. Okay, so here you can see how the tongue having a sticky in nature. This is a sticky property the frog have. So animals like a lizards also, frogs also, they have a long sticky tongue which they use to grab their food. Okay, andre ತಿನ್ನಕ ಅವರು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಟಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟಂಗ್ ಐತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐತಿ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐತಿ? ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಟಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರಾಬಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, these are some other eating habits in the animals. Here what are the things we have learned? We have learned that different animals have different parts of the body to have their food, to grab their food. Okay, so just recall it, what we have learned in the last class, what we have learned today. So on the basis of this thing, we are going to solve here our checkpoint number 2. So this is your homework. Okay, so in this homework, what you have to do? You have to do the match the following. Okay, so first one is the buffalo, snake, dog, butterfly, squirrel. Okay, totally 5 animals name we have given. Okay, buffalo, snake, dog, butterfly, squirrel. So how they are going to have their food? So just think it, whether they are sucking, whether they are chewing, whether they are drinking mango juice, whether they are gnawing, or they are swallows its prey whole, or laps the milk. So these are some examples. You have to be match it. Okay, you have to think it, then you have to be match it. So dear students, today we have completed your 3rd chapter. In next class, we are going to solve checkpoints 1 and 2 with that evaluate part of the 3rd chapter. In this way we are going to solve our exercise. Okay dear students, So let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye, and revise all the things what we have learned and make a habit of reading. Okay, because if you are not going to read properly, you will not get the things. Okay dear students, so bye bye, have a good day, bye bye.